Hi everyone, and welcome to my small corner of the art world. So today I'm going to show you some things that I got at Kmart here in Australia that are cheapy art supplies that I do tend to use quite a lot. So the first one is this acrylic artist pad with the GSM paperweight of 300. I'm sorry, that light is just really in a very awkward place, isn't it? Okay, I'm back. My tripod fell over and everything, so we'll start again. I think the light's shining on this because it's covered in plastic, so let's take the plastic off. Alright, so we have an Anko 300 paperweight, 300 GSM paperweight pad, and I like to use these to cut out things like this, you know, for my journals and things. And this was $5. So this was $5 Australian, and you get 20 pages, and it's nice and thick. And this is suitable for acrylic paint and paint markers, and acid free. And the next one that I got was this one, which is the Anko Sketch, which is suitable for sketching and drawing with pencils, coloured pencils, pens, charcoal. And this is 160 GSM. I've never bought one of these before, so I thought I'd buy it just to give it a go. And this one was $3. So that was good. And then I got two of these. I got a mixed media sketchbooks, and I've actually had these before, and I really do like them. And it's giving me a bit of a hard time. Oh, there we go, a bit of a hard time. Oh, get the plastic off. And so these, I like these because you can do double pages. The pages are quite thick. They are 200 GSM paperweight, and they're actually really nice for art journaling. I like to buy these, and these are also $5 each. And these are nice little sketchbooks, and it says suitable for sketch, coloured pencils, acrylic markers and watercoloured pens. I do use paints in these, but then I do gesso the pages first, which does help. Stops the paint going through. I was looking to see if I had one that I'd filled out to show you, but I can't find one right off the bat. And then I got some soft pastels. So I don't know what these are like. I do like to use soft pastels in my art. They're good for blending and shading and stuff like that. So let's have a look at what these are like. Oh, okay. They don't come in a container. So there's no container, so you basically just have to put them like that. Okay. Bit concerning, but there's some nice colours, and It would be good if there was a container to put them in. I'll just, because otherwise they're just going to fall all over the place, aren't they? Never mind, let's have a look what they're like. I'll try it on here. And we'll get a yellow and just see if it's, can you see that? I like to use them like this and then just, oh yeah, that's good coverage. I like that. That's a pretty colour too, actually. To do something with that later. Okay, so they're nice and they cost me $9. $9. So that's 36 for $9. Would be nice if there's a little container to put them in, but there we go. And the last thing that I got was some, do you pronounce it gouache paints? I've never used these before. It's got some pretty colours in it. I have no idea how to use these, but I thought I would give them a go because why not? It's part of the experimenting of doing art, and these were only $10 and they come in a really nice case like this. Oh, and they have the colours on them. So they have the names of them all on there, and they have lids. So, okay, and they're like this. All right, let's take the top off this, just this one. They've got some lovely aqua splash, bright sky, ethereal blue. This is, I'm going to be learning how to use gouache paints. I think that's how you call them. That's not going to come off that way, so I'm just going to cut it off and get yellow paint all over my scissors. And probably all over my hands too. Ooh. Oh, that's a pretty colour. Okay, so we'll just... So this is lemon yellow. I'm just going to put that back on there. And I'm going to use this bit. Let's put that over there. And get my little sketch pad out again. I use that yellow there. And grab me a paintbrush. That'll do. And see what these are like. Oh, that goes on nice and smoothly. Ooh. It's nearly the same colour as that too. Oh, do you use water with these? Oh, I like that. And it goes on here really nicely. Just go like that. I wonder what happens if you put some water on it. Now, I haven't gessoed this obviously, but no, it hasn't gone through, so that's a bonus. Ooh, I like it, and it goes on there really nicely. Nice and smooth. This is actually this one in this book, paper is very smooth. Whereas in this other in this one here, the paper, you can't really see it on screen, but the paper's got lines on it. So it's a bit, it's not as smooth as this one. This is nice and smooth. This is rougher. Oh, so I think I want to win a chicken dinner there. I like that. I might have to do a few more colours on there. Got some on there. I wonder what this Havelock Blue sounds interesting. Should we have a go at this one? Havelock Blue. Oh, that's almost like a purple. Havelock Blue. Very messy way of getting things off, but there you go. And I'm just going to snip that off and put the lid back on. I will have to at some point swatch all these so I know what colour's what. Okay, just got the paint off that. And I'm just going to take the yellow off that. And I'm just going to go like that on there, like that. So that is kind of a purpley colour, isn't it? I would say more than a blue. I kind of like it. So it's these colours, well, I'm going to use these and put these numbers on them, I think. So this one should be that colour. This one, Aqua Splash, should be that colour, right? Well, that one came off easily. Put the lid back on. Oh yeah, that's a nice colour. That's a lovely colour actually. I like that. I've never used gouache before, so I don't know if this is a good quality gouache or not. But I think for me, who has not ever used this before, and also has never used, well, I'm learning to use watercolours. I normally just used to use acrylic paints for abstract painting, flow art, that kind of thing. Oops. It just fell off my desk. I kind of like that. Okay, so I got, what was it? I got the gouache, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 15, 20 of those. Yep. The pastels, 36 pastels, 2 of these sketch paint books, and 2 what I'm going to use as art journals, but the mixed media sketchbooks, and it cost me 37 Australian dollars altogether. So I think that's pretty good value if you're just starting, because then all you would need then would be a few paintbrushes to start doing something. And this one here, I'm just going to paint, put some stamps on, and basically use it as a masterboard to do other things with. So thanks for joining me, guys. I'm just going to sit here now and play with these all over this and have some fun with the new things. I hope you enjoyed this little video of the cheap things that you can get at Kmart. That's not going to cost you a fortune if you want to start art journaling. And until next time, bye for now. Hi guys, so this is the finished work. So what I did was I tried some more of that gouache, whatever, however you pronounce it, gouache paints, and then I let it dry, and it was very matte when it dried, so I just did some markers over it, some paint markers, did a few little, you know, bizarre like whatevers, and then I painted over it with some gloss Mod Podge, and I'm going to use this now as a masterboard to make other things with. So I'm quite pleased with how this turned out, given I was just trialing how those paints were and some of the chalk what are they, chalk pastels. So that's it, that's what it looks like, and I'm very happy with that. So I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial on cheap things you can buy at Kmart to start your art journey with. Until next time, take care and bye for now.